Hello friends, welcome back with another tutorial video. I think you know what's the topic of today's video, but I'm explaining it. Today's video is about how can you use a computer as a security key to unlock your computer. Friends, next video I will declare the winner of giveaway of 2 gift cards. So like, subscribe and share my channel for us to get the giveaway. Coming back after intro. Now friends, to use your Pendrive as a security key, you have to download an application named Rohos logon key. For that, first go to your web browser and search for Rohos logon key. Now click on rohos.com, which is official website of Rohos logon key. Now click on download now button and the download will start. After downloading this, go to your download folder and install the Rohos logon key. Now select the language as English. Click on next. There is an agreement which you can read. After reading this, click on I accept the agreement. Then click on next. Follow my step and install Rohos logon key. After installing this, open Rohos logon key application. To use your Pendrive as a security key, you have to click Setup Authentication key. Then you have to select USB flash drive. Now insert your Pendrive, which are you going to use as security key. There is a blank box where you have to put your Windows user password, which is actually Microsoft account password. Let's go to next step by clicking Setup the key. Now it's done. Our authentication key has been configured. Now you can use your Pendrive as a security key to unlock your computer. I have full confidence that if you follow that step, you can use a Pendrive as a security key. I think it's a helpful video to you. If you also think that it's a helpful video to you, please subscribe my channel. If you have any query, comment down below. I will try to reply. See you in the next video. Bye bye.